Hello fellow doll lovers, Barbie Nation here. Welcome back to my channel. Hello everyone, thank you so much for tuning into another video with me today. My name is Aryan, aka Barbie Nation, and what I do is I collect dolls, I play with dolls, I talk about dolls, and every now and then I give them a super cute makeover. So if you're into anything cute, sweet, and petite, definitely subscribe to my channel to get some lovely pastel glitters on your feed. Now let's get into today's video. Here we go.
Who's got fancy fringes dressed in silvery blue? It's Western Stampin Barbie with something magic too.
Her stamp bees.
Western Stampin Barbie, stamp and shine.
Glitter too.
Her Noop and Carolyn stamping stars all the way. And Ken's a cool cowboy, purple horse and hey hey. Western Stampin friends, stamp and shine. Western Stampin Barbie, stamp and shine.
Western Stampin Barbie dolls have booths that stamp, ink pads, and glitter. Dolls and horse sold separately.
Hello everyone and welcome back to another fun video. So today we are doing the thing I love doing the most, which is restoring thrifted Barbie dolls, and especially those 90s treasures. So today we have a Western Stampin Barbie from 1993, and this Western Barbie. So we had a few Western Barbies in history, but I think Western Stampin Barbie is just, I love her so much. So there's also a variation of Tara Lynn, which was her temporarily Western friend, and Ken, of course. So you had Barbie, which was all in blue, Tara Lynn, who was all in red, and then you had Ken. I think the Ken of Barbie the movie actually had his Western look inspired by the Western Stampin' Ken look. But anyway, my point being was that there was not a super pink Western look, actually, which was surprising to me when I looked further into this Western Stampin' line. So there were only three: Ken, Barbie, and Tara Lynn. So today we have Barbie, and she actually has white pants and not her white skirt, because she actually comes with a white skirt. But other than that, all the pieces are there. Her top is kind of faded. Also her jacket, you know, the silver accents. But this Western hat, you guys, it is everything. It's so fun. So she comes with crimped hair, and as you can see, this hair has been really combed through, and we really need to give this a good wash and give her that glam back. But overall, she's in pretty good condition, actually. But I do want to make some alterations to her looks. Yeah. But we're going to have some fun today, and we're just going to see where it takes us today. That is just the fun with all of these glow ups. You know, you never know what the end result is going to be. So I'm just going to, you know, let the process be the process and see how fabulous she will turn out. So let's just not waste any more time. Let's head on over to the salon and give this Western Stampin Barbie from 1993 the Barbie Nation makeover she definitely deserves. Here we go. So again, let's start off with an inspection of the doll. As you can see, her hair is majorly frizzy, and she has a lot of flyaways, and her earrings are stuck in the hair, so we need to get these earrings out. But other than that, she looks in great shape, actually. So you want to be really careful when you're yanking these earrings out. Usually I'm pretty successful doing this time also, but later on the right earring eventually still broke off when I wanted to return the earrings. So I was super upset because these cowboy boot earrings are so iconic. So I was super sad. We are continuing on with the pet brush again to detangle the hair and give it a good brush. And after using the pet brush, I use another brush to detangle a little further. As you can see, there are still some knots here and there and tangles that need to be taken out. So this time I will be using a little bit more force to get these out. And now that the hair is all smooth and detangled, we can take her to the bath and give her that shampoo, that conditioner, and the final comb through. And for the shampoo and the conditioner, actually, it doesn't care what kind or which brand you are using. Just pick one that you think just smells nice. With the shampoo, you're going to just rub it in, just give it like a little head massage and just rinse it out really well before you're applying the conditioner. For the conditioner, use a lot because especially with Kanekalon hair, it works so nicely if you just use a lot of it to really make it smooth and easy to work with. Giving her a final comb through with this smaller, thinner brush, and now you can really see the benefits of dry brushing her first, because if we didn't do that, she would be losing a lot of hair in this part of the process. Over to my most satisfying part, the boil wash dip. So let's dip her in a good few times, and then you're gonna just see that magic come out of it. It is so satisfying. I love it. I love it so much that we have to do this one more time. So next up, the hairstyling, and because of the boil wash, you can see that the hair kind of straightened out. So it kind of removed her original crimp in her hair. So we're going to restore that. But first, I'm going to set the hair using her part line to comb it in place and securing it with a half up ponytail. So here you can really see how the boil wash straightened out her hair. So it really is necessary to give her that ultra 90s crimp. But not until we first give her a cute ribbon in her hair. I don't know why I did this first actually, but well, somehow I did. So what's really important while crimping this hair is use a crimp iron that has heat setting. In this case, the lowest setting is 140, so you're gonna wanna put it at the lowest heat setting. So always be on the lookout for that while you're buying a crimp iron or a straighten iron. See if it has a heat setting because you do not wanna burn the doll's hair, of course. So test out a strand of hair in the back of the head and see if the hair responds to that heat. In this case, it works perfectly. And just crimp it just really shortly. And as you can see, you're safe and good to go. So continue the process and crimp all of the hair. And voila, here you have it. Fresh 90s crimped Barbie hair. Now let's get her back into that cowgirl glam. Yeehaw! I love how she has glown up. I love that she has her perfect crimped hair back once again. And I am totally in love with this Western Stampin Barbie. Well, actually, that whole doll line is amazing. Now that I look back at it, they even have some amazing fashion packs also. The whole Western vibe, it is adorable. I made a few changes to her outfit. I gave her a denim skirt, and I used actually Barbie Extra number 3, the silver bathing suit, as a top underneath. Gave her, of course, knee-length socks, and had to keep these cute cowgirl boots, of course. I just really wanted to keep her in this Western style because I actually don't have a lot of the Western Barbies, and the Western Stampin' line is absolute by far the cutest to me. So I really want to get all of them right now, and all of the fashions, because they look so cute. So yeah, I'm really happy with how she turned out. And the crimp pin, you guys. Do I need to say it again? Yes, I do. Please be careful while using these hot tools, of course, and always use these tools on the lowest heat setting. So when you're either using a crimp iron or a straighten iron, flat iron, I don't know how you call it, always look for one who has heat settings and always use them on the lowest setting. Try a piece in the back to test it out if you're good to go, and then go through. Yeah, just really wanted to point that out once again. Oh yeah, and I almost forgot to mention her earrings. Okay, so most of the time I'm really good at, you know, yanking these earrings out of these 90s gals because they all have this kind of like hook inside, so it makes it kind of harder to get the earrings out. So usually I do it when the head is heated up, and I grab a piece of cloth, wrap it around the earring, and then yank it out. This time it also kind of worked, but you can already see on the right earring that the peg was already kind of like bending all the way up. And as soon as I picked it up to put them back in, that peg actually snapped. And I was so heartbroken because these earrings are so iconic. And I actually think only Western Stampin Barbie has those earrings. So I was so mad at myself for messing up. So yeah, I also do mess up sometimes, and boy was I upset. I didn't actually even film like the actual broken earring because I was so upset and had to quit, like, you know, for a good hour to recollect myself. And I actually kept the pieces of the earrings. I just couldn't throw it away because the earrings are so freaking iconic and actually pretty rare for a Barbie doll because it's only Western Stampin Barbie, right, who had those earrings. I've never seen these earrings on another Barbie ever once again. So if you have a spare pair out there, help a girl out. So that was it for today. I hope you all enjoyed today. Let me know, of course, what you think of her glow up. Do you love Western Stampin Barbie, Terralyn, and Ken? Do you have either one of these dolls, or are you planning on getting one of these dolls? You know, all the tea about this gorgeous, gorgeous 90s Barbie line. I wish you all a lovely day today, and I'll see you all in my next video. Mwah! Okay, so that's it for today, guys. Thank you all so much for watching. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and of course, click the bell icon next to the subscribe button to get notified by any new videos that I upload. You can also follow me on Instagram at Barbie Nation. That's usually where I post all of my updates. And until the next video, mwah, big kisses from me, and I love you all.